How to get Amazon promo codes that work. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily get Amazon promo codes for discounts. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and then click on the search bar, search for something called Coupon Follow, and you'll see the site couponfollow.com. Click on this and you should be able to land on this page. Now, you can log in if you have an account, but you don't necessarily have to do that. However, there are certain benefits of logging in to find coupon codes. On the search bar, you can search for Amazon.com, search for Amazon, and then click on Amazon.com. You can see different kind of offers here. You can see 15%, 10%, 20% off, $15, $10, 50% off. So you'll see the codes are verified, and if you're one of the first ones to use this, you should be able to save up some money. So you'll see the code here, click on copy. Now you can click and paste the code at Amazon.com. So click on redeem at Amazon, and it will direct you to Amazon.com. So I already have certain items on my cart here. So what I can do is directly go to my cart. If you don't have items, you can just add items to your cart by tapping on the item and then click on add to cart. All right, so once that is done, go to your cart and select the items that you want to check out of and click on proceed to checkout. Once that is done, you can add your payment method like your credit or debit card. Scroll down and here on this part of the checkout page, you can enter the code that you've just copied. So let's just paste the code here, click on apply. And if the code is valid, you should be able to save some money and get discounts on your checkout. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.